Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing my first impressions and review on this eyeshadow palette from ModelRock. It's gonna be my first time to try their eyeshadow palette. I've been using their lashes, their lips range. So this particular palette here, I originally purchased it from TK Maxx. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So if you guys wanted to find out what my thoughts are on this eyeshadow palette and if it's worth buying, in that way you'll be able to save some money, please keep on watching. The description on the ModelRock lashes website. ModelRock is committed to creating next level fierce beauty products for makeup artists and fashionistas. Our very first eyeshadow palette provides you with 20 shades and 3 textures: metallic, shimmer, and matte. Buildable eyeshadows are formulated with botanical jojoba oil, honeysuckle extract from Japan and Italy to suit the eye area and provide antioxidant benefits. Our attention-grabbing metallics offer an intense hit of metallicization that will amplify your look, along with our exclusively developed Velva blend. It's a technique that creates ultra pigmented, soft and buttery matte and shimmer eyeshadows that glide on effortlessly with a rich buildable color payoff. Is Poppy, Glam On 26, Royal Flush, Warrior, Fair Maiden, Flamboyant, Volt, Vintage Rust, Rustic, Hyper Bronze, Vienna, Unicorn, Cougar, Sweet Mustard, Abyss, Armuse, Gold Lion, Turkish Delight, Fox, Tilt. It actually does come in a box. In the box it comes with the with additional cardboard that wraps around the palette just for extra protection. And then this is the actual palette, guys. So when you actually open the palette, it actually does come in a you know, that plastic sleeve protector. So with this shades, I actually got a very pigmented shades, guys, when I swatched them. And I actually did purchase this from TK Maxx, guys. And I know on the ModelRock website it's actually quite expensive compared from when I've actually bought this from TK Maxx. Because I actually bought this, I've actually purchased this for a while, guys, and I do apologize, I can't remember exactly how much I purchased this, but certainly I was able to purchase this a lot cheaper from the ModelRock website. It actually does represent the Rock Chic palette, but just looking at the actual packaging itself. Open up the actual palette, it actually does have a built-in mirror. Packaging is actually made from cardboard. We got a very hard and, you know, very hard packaging that actually giving your eyeshadow palette a extra protection. 12 months expiry date on this, guys, shipping overseas in New Zealand and other international countries. The Fenty Beauty amplifying eye primer. First time to use this primer from Vienna. So this is shade here, guys, called Vienna. So that's gonna be my transition shade, and I'll be using the brush Morphe M441. I'm just applying this just above my crease, but close to my brow bone. This also on my lower lashes, and just connecting it at the end. Shade here guys, the rustic shade AM573. Okay, I'm just going to be applying this just above my crease but below that transition shade, and I'm just doing a swiping motion to go on the bottom, just using the same brush and the same shade, which is still the rustic shade here, which is the Abyss, which is a dark blue shade. I'm going to be applying this on my outer corner. 3506. Tilt. So this shade here guys, be applying that on that space on my lid. There are collection brushes. I actually don't have the number. Okay, let's just see how pigment is this Tilt shade. Gosh, look at that. So pigmented. So you don't need any so you don't even need to spray a brush. Royal Flush, the shade here, and I'm just going to be applying that on my crease. Morphe E43, it's just this like a small defining brush. Called Glam 28. See guys, so pigmented. So whatever's left over, I'm just going to be applying this on my brow bone. Right, I'm just going to finish the rest of my on my eyes now guys, and then I'll let you know my final thoughts with this eyeshadow palette guys. It's a very pigmented, easy to blend. Oh my gosh, you're not gonna believe the how pigmented these eyeshadows are, and actually they're actually easy to blend, and the colors, combining the colors are actually blendable, and what you've seen on the swatch is exactly the same when you apply it on your eyelid. And I actually didn't have any fallout except for that one shade, because I've actually packed a lot of product on my brush, and it was a flat brush, so it wasn't like a fluffy brush. So if you guys looking for a new eyeshadow palette and you haven't tried the ModelRock brand, I highly recommend it for you guys to check this out guys. Pigmented, easy to blend eyeshadow palette, and you actually like this color range here guys. So they currently do have, as we speak, they currently do have them on sale, which is their Chic cosmetic kit. It's actually running their sale based on their website. Their sale ends in 172 days, so there's actually quite a few months that they have them on sale, but you know, while stock lasts. So if you guys interested in trying this out, So I highly suggested for you guys to go and check the to go into the website and getting a good value of money. Choose this eyeshadow palette before, please comment down below, and I would like to hear your feedback, and please let me know what video you want to watch next. Thank you so much for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.